Hi everybody, welcome back to our PM show. So these are all the positions that we're currently holding. Cora, do we have any trades?
Let me just okay, Nifty has given up all the gains. It opened at 750, now it is at 600, right?
Yes.
Bank Nifty is a real killer. I think it was at 700 in the morning.
Somewhere around.
Futures open, check the open futures.
It opened in 36,000.
Well, that means 700 points fall close to. It went all the way to 36,300 and then now trading at 35,300. So 1,000 points fall.
Oh my God.
Okay, so what I want to do is basically I'm bearish on Bank Nifty now.
Okay.
Slightly bullish on Nifty. If I go wrong on Bank Nifty, at least I'll make money on Nifty. That's the idea. What you need to do is you need to close the Bank Nifty spread.
Okay. In market, right?
Yeah.
Done, Cora. I've closed.
And Nifty, what you do is you book the month-end call, month-end put profit, because the spread we would have created like that.
16,000 PE.
Yeah, but before booking that, you have to buy the 16,000 put on weekly.
Okay.
The reason I'm doing that is our month-end track record is very bad, so I want to improve that. Yeah, buy it. Now sell that put. So it's the same position. So diagonal we converted to vertical.
Okay.
And we are still short 16,400 PE. And now what we need to do is just check the open position, sort.
Yes.
One short put, yeah. And two long options. One is the vertical put spread. The other is long call. So for this long call, we can hedge it by shorting 16,800 call this week.
Okay. It's at 74 rupees.
Yeah, let's short them.
Okay, we've done that.
And then I want to create a slightly bearish position in Bank Nifty.
Okay.
Where is Bank Nifty? Just clear off everything on our left.
Yeah.
Where is Bank Nifty straddle?
It's currently at 35, 250 around. So
300. So 400 plus 300.
400.
400 and 400.
Yeah.
800. So go 1,000 points above on the call side. That would be 36.5.
6,300. 36,500.
Yeah, basically I prefer the 500 round numbers in bank.
Okay.
Call. And 1,000 points add to that.
Yeah. 37,500.
Yeah.
This week only?
Yeah. So first you have to buy that one. We are getting a vertical short call spread.
Okay.
Buy that and sell.
I thought this will happen.
No, just wait.
We have 50,000 funds, Kara.
But why it's not allowing? So maybe 36, a little above 36,800.
But so much less premium.
We'll move. We'll see whether we can create the position or not.
Cora. So I'll have to exit.
Cancel.
Yeah.
Wait. Buy 37,500 one more. No, 37,500 one more.
Yeah. Okay, I just add another quantity.
From the left, you buy it.
Yeah. 37.
Second one, Priyanka.
Yeah, got it.
Second.
One more quantity. Bought it.
Now try selling 36.5. It should allow.
Yes.
No, not that
After we
one.
get
36.5.
800.
Okay.
You sold 36.8. Cancel that 36.8. Sell 37.5.
Yes, this one. Buy.
Sorry about that.
Don't. Let it fill. Do at market. Now try selling 37.5. So 36.5. It's there already in your watch list.
The third one, Priyanka, it's already there.
Okay.
Check the funds.
We have 27,000 Cora.
We are in the range. Yeah, instead of vertical spread, if you do the back spreads, your margin gets allowed. That's what I did. Just a margin management. So the position right now is Nifty slightly bullish and Bank Nifty is bearish. And the reason for Bank Nifty bearishness is Friday down, Monday down. Nifty is actually hitting 20-day high at 660. We just missed it by 50 points. We were there till half an hour back. Suddenly the selling happened. So and this is what typical market behavior. Market opens with a gap up, and from open to close, you don't make money. Only you make money overnight, but not during the day. So what's our day-wise?
Around 2,800 Cora.
We made wise decision in the morning to sell everything. So our notional profit is about 3,200. Check any ETFs which are in huge dip buy.
Not much Cora.
The last one is down.
The last one is little looks okay.
Yes,
Our seasonal trade, and I would anyway buy that ETF. Maybe add because we made like about 1,000 or 2,000 profit today. Buy 5 or 6 of them. 1,000. I think 7. Not much, but 20 paisa, so you can just put market.
Done.
Thing that we are adding ETF is that's our long-term wealth kind of creation. In options, you can go not bankrupt, but yeah, there is a possibility if your option trades are going bad. So if you were to compound, you compound via your ETFs, not in option trade. So always limit your risk or your whole capital in option trades to certain amount. In our case, it is about 2 lakhs. So we would put like 1 lakh in option trades and keep compounding those holdings. So on the first day, which is like 2 months ago, that's when we started the show, right? So we started with 40,000 odd, our total investments in ETFs and stocks.
Okay.
And right now we went all the way to 92,000.
Yes.
If market goes up from here, right, our holdings also will go up. And that is a little safe because, of course, nothing is safe. The ETFs won't fall much, whereas your option trades anything can happen. They can move plus or minus 1,000% also, and they can go broke. That's the reason why I'm adding ETFs. And another thing is, when you are adding ETFs, you might as well bargain when it is in a dip mode. And your trading strategies, which are like momentum or something like that, you replicate them or you deploy them in your option trades. So that's the whole high level philosophy that I'm doing. How are our stocks doing? Nothing.
These are all our stocks.
Okay, JK Tire went down 3%. And what's happening to the overall market?
Yeah.
All indices are down. One more thing, just go up.
Okay.
Generally, VIX has a tendency to go down on a Friday, especially in the last half an hour.
Okay.
That's because there is no free lunch in options world. The theta decay doesn't happen over the weekend. So because the way to negate theta decay not happening is drop the IVs. Are included in your pricing. So your IVs get converted into overall India VIX. So generally it has a tendency to go on a Friday to nullify the theta decay effect over the weekend. There's no theta decay which happens over the weekend, right? And then, so all the indices are down. Any sectors? Okay, all sectors, only IT is going up. Okay.
Infosys is leading that.
We bought quite a bit of IT ETF last 1 or 2 weeks back, right? When
Yes,
it
IT.
dipped. Check whether our IT ETF is profitable. ITBs.
Yes, it was actually up.
No, overall. So we bought at 30 point. It's up actually. So we kept on dip buying, average return down, and we are now at least
positive.
Some positive. We are not taking it out. As and when it comes into a pledging mode, we can pledge it. I think we have already pledged it. Okay. Yes, it's actually falling. I think that's where we close. Basically, 16,600. 16,700 seems to be a little tough nut to crack today. Maybe on Monday or maybe on Tuesday. Next week is a RBI week. When is RBI meet? June 20. June. 6th to 8th.
Yes, Kora.
Oh. 8th is what date? Wednesday or?
Yes, 8th is Wednesday.
Okay, we got to be careful on Tuesday. Monday is okay. Tuesday.
Because we are bearish?
Not bearish. Last time, see our entire loss, we are about a loss of about 5% on our overall trading account. That whole thing has come because of RBI meeting goof up. That last RBI unscheduled meeting, that's where we lost quite a bit.
Yes.
So this time I don't want to get into that. So I want to probably not get caught into RBI meeting. Let's see, how the market shapes up. So, those days. But yeah, do keep an eye on Wednesday. Wednesday means Tuesday. Nothing much. I didn't get any news or any interesting reads. Sorry, I forgot. Just go to, it's too late to tell. Search Aswath Damodaran ET conference, Economic Times. Economic Times, maybe. Remove that conference.
This is 25th May.
No, this weekend he is doing a Zoom session on valuation. Search valuation, include valuation also. That's the one.
This one?
Yeah. So this is on 6th. I think so. 6th is Monday, right?
Yes.
Yes, Gora.
So for the next whole week, I would any day recommend this particular course, even though it's a little on high end side. I think it's about 30,000 or whatever.
Mm.
But I would recommend this course any day. I've taken this quite a few times. This is on valuation, how to discount cash flow method, DCF. You can come down and see the contents.
Valuing company stock.
Yeah, the contents of the course.
Key discussion
The
areas.
constant, yeah, the DCF model and risk premium and debt and all that stuff, betas, and again, what are the pros and cons of doing valuation, the side of valuation. So his point is, you only give a gauze, but it's not the truth. But yeah, how to value a company, which is at various stages, young, growth, mature, and all this stuff. My understanding or I've been following Professor Aswath from 10 years. Whenever he gives a range for a stock, I would say it's about right at least 75% of the times. He gone wrong recently only on Paytm, but as I said, like nobody can get 100% things right. He's right on his valuation on Zomato. When Zomato got listed at I don't know, I think 150 or 180. So he said, no, this is not the right value. The right value is about 60. So now Zomato is on 60 band. I would suggest, I mean, if you guys have money, do attend this whenever you get a chance. It's a 100% recommended from me. Whatever Aswath Damodaran talks or writes, do read it or do listen. Even it's a paid or sometimes he does it free also. So you can do both.
So how often does he does this kind of workshops?
You have to follow him.
Okay.
His couple of books are must read. What is the book? Just search, go to Amazon. That's the first book, the valuation series, and he kept on updating it. And there is a screener book, which come down. This is the same valuation concept. He keeps rewriting it as he learns new things. Investment fables. Investment fable, such that. I don't think that's his photo. Amazon got it wrong.
I don't think Amazon has
that one. That's the book.
Third one, yes.
This is a must read. And he exposes all investment styles. About 10, 20, 10 chapters are there. He gives a hint of when each strategy performs, and no investing strategy is a holy grail. So every investing strategy has its own day kind of stuff. And in fact, if you see our book records, right? Just put our book recommendation video.
Yeah.
Yes, I saw that one. Priyanka, it's right there. I mean, just go to Watanabeshow.
Go to the chat.
The
The
first
top 10 trading books.
top trading, yes.
You can, okay, let it be just a small video. You can play it.
Hardly 1 minute, yes.
Trading exchanges.
Larry Harris. The Art of War.
So, are there any other books that you would like to recommend?
I'm a little different character, so you can't really talk about what I like. So this is the book. Yeah, stop here. So the thing is, yeah, you may call me arrogant or whatever. I don't read books which are written after I'm born, like late 50s. I only read the books written by authors which are before I was born because they are knowledgeable, or rarely a superb academician like Aswath. So this book is recent, but I recommend because this is a by extremely knowledgeable academician.
Understood.
Strategies.
You have to, I mean, there's nobody who's going to teach you. You have to develop your own investment method. So you read something and you get. So if you go back, Henry Cluse, I would have said, where is that? Henry Cluse. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. So this book is written in 1910. The lesson is still valid today. In US case. So the entire theme of this book is buy when the market is down in US. That's what author says, and it works even today. It is like the book is written in 1910.
So, but isn't this same thing applied in India also, that we should buy when the market is down?
Yes, for long-term investing, yes. When people are fearing, that's when you should buy. So your ideal, it's a post factor now. Your ideal buy point on Nifty was when Nifty was at 15,800 or below 16,000.
Times.
That is if you have ability to time the market. If you don't have ability to time the market, just keep quiet and do a SIP. Keep doing monthly investments in
Mutual.
yeah. And again, do not do crazy because we will talk about in mutual fund series. There's not many managers in India who are there who has beaten Nifty by a wide margin. I mean, if you beat 1%, it doesn't matter. Like you should beat like at least 4 to 5%. All right. So see you on Sunday afternoon.
Yes. Yeah.
Have a nice weekend, Priyanka, and have a nice weekend, Vanshika.
Thank you, sir.
Kora. I'll meet you there.